Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download LocalSend safely and easily. LocalSend is a free, open-source application that lets you transfer files between devices over your local network without using cloud storage or the internet. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for LocalSend. From the search results, open the official LocalSend website or the official GitHub releases page. Yeah, it's always a good idea to download the app from the official source to ensure you're getting the latest version without any modified files. Once you're on the download page, choose the version that matches your operating system. LocalSend is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iPhone, so simply select the appropriate download option for your device. Click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. The download usually only takes a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Make sure you have enough free storage space before starting the download. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and verify that the installer file has been saved successfully. At this point, the download process is finished, and you're ready to install LocalSend whenever you want. If you're using multiple devices, repeat the same process on each one. Installing LocalSend on both the sending and receiving devices makes it easy to transfer files over your local network, and that's it. You now know how to download LocalSend safely from the official source and prepare it for installation. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.